Hello Telegram users, want to upgrade your group to a supergroup? With just a few taps, you will unlock more features like larger member limits and better moderation. Let's do it. First, open Telegram and select the group you want to upgrade. Have you ever managed a supergroup? Share your experience in the comments below. Now, tap on the group name at the top. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top right corner to access settings. Now, head to the permissions section. Here's the trick. Activate slow mode by sliding the slider. This setting is mainly for large groups, and turning it on signals Telegram to convert your group into a supergroup automatically. Supergroups give you more control over members and support up to 200,000 members. And that's it. Your group is now a supergroup, giving you better control and more tools to manage your members. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.